How to change anterior pelvic tilt until it's irreversible. Because if you don't fix it in the long run, it can cause number 1, chronic lower back pain, and number 2, it can even hurt your internal organs. And so the spine is the key element in our body, and you better keep it healthy. And anterior pelvic tilt is one of the most common problems that people tend to have with the spine, and today we're talking about how to fix it. Let's go. And so because of the anterior pelvic tilt, we have 4 main problems. Number 1, weak and overstretched abs. Our goal is to make it stronger and make it tighter. Number 2, we have big and overstretched glutes. Our goal is to make them stronger and make them tighter. Problem number 3, because of this position, we have tight hip flexor. Our goal is to stretch it out. And the last problem is tight lower back. Our goal is to stretch it out. And of course, it doesn't look good either. Your belly is bigger than it should and your butt sticks out. And this is what we want. Flat abs and little bend in the lower back. If you can fix these 4 problems, you can fix your anterior pelvic tilt. And so guys, right now I will show you the set of exercises that will work on every part that we talked about. Abs, glutes, hip flexor and lower back. And let's start with everyone's favorite, abs. So the worst type of exercise that you can do to strengthen your abs when you have anterior pelvic tilt is everything that includes hanging leg raises and knee raises, because it will tighten your hip flexor even more. And also you should avoid crunches with fixated legs, because hip flexors work hard at these exercises. What you should focus on is just regular free legs crunches. Lay on the floor, legs free, arms behind your neck, slightly support your head, crunch your abs, breathe out and slowly go down. Imagine that there is 2 dots right here and right here, and your goal is to bring them closer. Do 15 to 20 reps, rest 30 seconds, and then complete 3 more sets.
Next exercise, glute bridge, to strengthen your glutes. Place your upper back on a bench or a couch, keep one leg straight and push your hips with the second leg before it aligns with the whole body. And don't forget to squeeze glutes at the top of the movement. This is one of the best glute exercises that you can do at home.
Do this exercise for 12 reps for each leg. Rest 2 minutes and then complete 2 more sets.
Goal of the next exercise is to stretch your lower back. Lay on the floor on your back, wrap your arms around your knees and slightly bring your knees to the chest as close as possible. Keep this position for 15 to 20 deep breaths. Rest for 20 seconds and then repeat 2 more sets.
Next exercise is hip flexor stretch. Warrior stand, 90 degree. And then your goal is to lean forward with this leg and stretch your hip flexor like this. Around this position, you will feel it right away. Don't bend your lower back, keep your abs tight. And also don't round your back, keep your back straight. It will put more stretch on the hip flexor. Hold it for 15 deep breaths and then switch legs. I love this stretch, man, feels awesome. And to get the next powerful stretch for hip flexor, you will lay down on your stomach, bend your leg, grab your leg and then pull it to your glutes. Ooh, you will feel it right away. Hold it for 15 deep breaths. If you're ready for deeper stretch, you can raise your leg. And the same thing with the second leg. Rest for 30 seconds and complete 3 sets total. You can do this routine every day, and just in a couple of weeks you will already see the difference. But after that, just keep going. If you're looking for a complete home workout programs that will transform your whole body, definitely download my next workout app, and in the YouTube section you'll find 4 workout programs completely free that you can start today. And also in the home workout section you will find my programs that I use myself to turn myself into the freaking beast at home, almost no equipment. Thank you for watching guys, and don't miss out my video on how to fix rounded back posture. I will see you in the next workout. God bless.